Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you guys a TikTok dance, a very simple and groovy one to the song Kiss It Better, but it's a remix. I think it's called I'm a Piano. I'll also leave the link in the description. Alright, let's just dive right into it. I'm gonna split it into 3-minute sections, starting with the first one, and just show you a quick preview of what you're about to learn. Alright, so the first one goes ba-da 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 boom. Ba ha. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, let me break it down for you. So the first thing you want to do is this ringing the bell or boxing, whatever you want. I want to do 5 of those, starting with my right. So I'm gonna go ba-da ba-da ba. You don't have to exaggerate because it goes quite quickly. So it goes ba-da ba-da ba. So ba-da ba-da ba. From here, what you wanna do is just lean forward, and then you wanna sort of turn here to your right, and you wanna go bounce, bounce twice. All right. So I did ba-da ba-da ba, bounce twice to the right here, and then you wanna go one side to the left, and then jump up. Let's just rewind. What I did here is go ring the bell 5 times, go right 2 times, left 1 time, and then up, jump up. Okay? We're gonna try to practice that. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. But actually, before we start, let me just explain the timing as well, the music. It goes, look you in the eyes, and you go ba-da-ba-da-ba. Boom, what are you waiting to? Okay, let me just show that a bit faster. Look you in the eyes, ba-da-ba-da-ba, boom, what are you waiting to? Alright, time to practice. We're gonna start slow. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start 5, 6, 7, 8, ba-da-ba-da-ba, boom, what are you waiting to? Let's try that again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba-da-ba-da-ba, boom, what are you waiting to? Okay, feel free to pause the video and practice on your own a few times if you need to. I'm just gonna do it one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba-da-ba-da-ba, boom, what are you waiting to? Alright, moving on to minute section 2. Let me just quickly show you how it looks. Alright, so it goes right after boom, you wanna go way, ba, ba, hey, 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 hey. Alright, let me break that down for you. So what you want to do is go left step, right gather, and then right. From here, what you want to do is just lift up your left. Alright, so let's just do the leg work here. You want to go left, right in, right, left up. Okay? Maybe we should just practice that. So you want to go left, right, right, left, up. Just try it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, right, left, up again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, right, left, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, right, left, up. Now from here, what you want to do is go shoulder, right, left, alright, at the same time as you're moving up your leg here. Okay? So you want to go with the steps, left, right, right, boom, boom. Okay? Now from here, it's pretty simple. You just bring it down. You want to keep your arms like this. I don't know what this is, but this is what we're doing, all right? At the same time, you also want to nod, nod, nod. What's up? What's up? You want to do that 4 times. So you go A, 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 A. If you want to, you can start from here and then move to the side, all right? Let me just do a quick recap of minute section 2. So what we did is go left, right, right, shoulder, shoulder. And then down, down, A, A. Okay, now, small detail, if you want to spice it up a bit, put more flavor to it, instead of just go step, step here, you can bend your knees down and go way, make it more groovy. All right? So the difference is I'm just going every time I'm taking a step. A. All right, let me explain the timing as well. So minute section 1 was boom, what are you waiting to? And then it goes do, boom, boom. Tell me what you're waiting to. Alright, that's the timing. Let me just show you again. It goes waiting to do, boom, boom. Tell me what you're waiting to. Alright, so we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start by saying do, boom, boom. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, boom, boom. Tell me what you're waiting to. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, boom, boom. Tell me what you're waiting to. And one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, boom, boom. Tell me what you're waiting to. Alright, now let's try and combine mini section 1 and 2 so that we don't forget the first mini section. Alright, so let me just recap here from the tip to the top. It goes, look you in your eyes, ba-da, ba-da, ba. Boom, what are you waiting to do? Boom, boom, tell me what you're waiting to. Alright, I'm gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba-da, ba-da, ba. Boom, what are you waiting to do? Boom, boom, tell me what you're waiting to. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba da ba da ba. Boom, what are you waiting to do? Ga, tell me what you're waiting to. Alright, one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba da ba da ba. Boom, what are you waiting to do? Ba, tell me what you're waiting to. Alright, moving on to the last mini section. Let me just do a preview here. It goes right after boom, boom. It goes da 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 da. Okay, so let's break that down. So right after boom, 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 what we want to do is just step with our right to the front like that, on our heel, back, left, back, right. I'm just gonna show from the side. What I want to do is go boom and boom and boom. Okay? Now at the same time, if you want to do it, you can go opposite arm. Just show it to the front if you want to. Just a small detail. Alright, so we're going to start with the right, going 1, 2, 3. Now from here, what we want to do is say step left, right. Okay, so we want to go is na 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 ka. Okay, I'm just gonna repeat that. Right and left and right and left and. Alright, so we want to move forward, step forward on the left, right. Let's just do the last part of it as well. So we did right, left, and left, right. From here, we just want to do right, left, right. Yes, I'm just doing mini steps to the back. This is sort of a groovy move. You can do it however you want. This is how I do it, okay? You can also freestyle with your arms if you want to. Hey. Alright guys, let's do a recap of mini section 3. So this is set of 2. 3 goes right and left and right and left and then right, left, right. Now the timing, let me explain that. It goes tell me what you're waiting to do. And then she sings kiss it, better, baby. So it was kiss it better, baby. And then it goes tell me what you're waiting to do. Alright, that's the time. Okay, time to practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna practice mini section 3. So starting with right, left, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, and left, and right, left, right. And with the timing, it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Kiss it better, baby. Okay, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Kiss it, better, baby. Alright guys, now let's do it all the way from the tip to top. So the full dance, I'm gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so quick run through of the full dance from the tip to top. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go right twice, left and jump up. And then step left, right in, then right, shoulder, shoulder. We go hey, hey, 3, 4. Then we go step right, left, right, and left and right, right, left, left, right, right. Now, with the timing, it's like this. Look you in the eyes, ba-da, ba-da, ba. Boom, what are you waiting to do? Cut, tell me what you waiting to. Kiss it better, baby. Alright guys, let's start practicing. We're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba da ba. Boom, what are you waiting to do? Pa, tell me what you wait to. Kiss it better, baby. Okay, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba da ba. Boom, what are you waiting to do? Ba, tell me what you waiting to. Kiss it better, baby. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. Okay, I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo. Okay, it goes something like this. Look you in your eyes, ba-da-ba-da-ba. Boom, what are you waiting to do? Ba, tell me what you waiting to do. Kiss it better, baby. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.